Hi everyone and welcome to the Brilliant Little Backyard. Today I'm making a rooting mix and I'm going to show it how to make it. I used it before and I will show you the results soon. I'm using 5 components to do this rooting mix and it can be used on all kind of cuttings. Now I will use a teaspoon for ingredients, and the first ingredient is cinnamon ground, and all these items actually available in every household. So I'm using 1 teaspoon of each item. First is cinnamon powder. Second one is garlic powder. I'm using the same amount. Third ingredient is onion powder. Fourth ingredient is the pomegranate fruit skin, dried, ground as a powder. And this is very important item to do to the mix because it feed the roots, act as insect deterrent. So these 4 ingredients, I'll repeat again: cinnamon powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and pomegranate skin powder. I will mix them really well. Then the 5th ingredient, aloe vera. Aloe vera you can add as much as you like. Now to the mix, I will add a little bit of water. And I will remix it well. Now this liquidy mix, we only need to dip the cutting in, and I will show you in the next video. I did some grapes cutting. I will show you the results. Now, just to give you an idea, this is one of the grapes that I used this mix on. And you can see the amount of roots. It's all because of this rooting mix. So you can see how good is this. This is after 4 months of doing the cutting and planting them in the soil after having some mixture or dipping the cutting into the mixture. That's what we ended up. A lot of roots and very healthy plant. I'm going to replant it in the pot soon. So please like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate all your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.